Hi, everybody. Hope you're all having a great Christmas. And I want to welcome you to day 2 of Old Iron Will's 12 Days of Christmas Tractors and Engines. So, what's day 2 going to bring? Any guesses? Drop a comment below and let's see if you're right. Let's see if you're on the right track. And I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into video for day number 2. So, guys, that was my 3 horsepower old stationary engine. That's the round hopper one. That was one I bought probably about 15 years ago. I have had it running, as you can see in the video. Bad engine when I picked it up. Came off a junk pile, was left laying on its side with no spark plug in there, so it was open. Cylinder was open to filling up with rainwater and snow water and everything like that when it melted. So I actually broke the piston out. Piston was seized bad in it. Took a lot of work to get that piston out of there. I had a bent crankshaft. They pounded on the flywheel. Thinking something must have fell down into the gear train on it, and they broke the cam gear because the cam gear was missing. I think that's why they were trying to get the flywheel off. It's probably where they, broke off the mixer and everything like that too. When it was probably on the junk pile that was never found. I was missing the governor weight and everything like that on it. Just a real basket case of an engine that was missing a lot of parts. I actually had to make my own governor weight, which maybe I'll show in a video and everything down the road. I didn't have the reproduction mixer on this video. I've been struggling to get this engine to run properly all the time. It seems to have a lack of compression, but now that I've got this other square hopper olds, I've kind of been rejuvenated to maybe get this round hopper olds finished up. So probably going to look at it here early in the new year and hopefully get it wrapped up and running, or at least figure out what I need to do to get it to run properly. So anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in for day 2. I hope you all will join me for day 3. I hope you're all being safe out there and had a Merry Christmas and are eating lots of turkey and ham and all the other goodies. See you tomorrow.